Talking about DUI for this edition of The Law and You. Joining us now are attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
I'm going to put you on the spot. Are we going to have a nice May?
I think that May is going to be transitional. You know what I will go on record saying? We're going to have a hot summer.
Okay.
You heard it here first, right on The Law and You.
All right.
All right, here's our question today, and this involves a scenario for Tom in Stroudsburg that could involve a DUI. I was pulled over for and charged for DUI, and I think the stop was bad. The police video shows me driving pretty straight, but when I drift over the fog line before I was pulled over. I was taken for blood alcohol, and it was 0.14. What can I do? Does Tom in Stroudsburg have any form of defense here?
You know, Tom, the answer to the question is, could you mount a defense on this? You could. You certainly could contest that the police didn't have probable cause to pull you over, but if they have a video, they have evidence of you crossing over the fog line, that might be enough for probable cause in this particular situation. And then obviously they have evidence, there was a BAC or a blood test that shows you were 0.14. So I think he might have a tough road to hoe on this one.
He has a defensible case in the fact that he can mount one. It's not like you could have a bad stop, and probable cause, reasonable suspicion is the standard there. So what you got to do is take a look at the video, and then a judge will have to make that determination. There'll be a pretrial motion filed to suppress the stop with the court, and the judge will make a determination, is that swerve over the line enough? Now, there's cases out there that say it's not. There's some cases that say it is. So it's going to be very factual. And again, the video will be very important to introduce that. So the judge will make a determination. And if the judge says the stop's good, then you got a problem, because then your blood alcohol is coming in and you're probably going to get convicted of that count. So, it's defensible, though. I mean, it's not, and that's why you got to get a lawyer.
Yeah, get a lawyer. And
if
this is your first DUI, then you're going to be eligible for ARDs. Yeah. So if you fight this thing and lose, you're not eligible for ARDs.
Well, right, then you're going to get sentenced. Yeah. But I mean, get to a criminal defense guy who really knows what they're doing, because you have a chance on this one.
So our viewers who need direction, and I know you don't do criminal law, so you'll refer them. How can they reach you guys?
Just give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And there's some attorneys that absolutely do nothing but specialize in DUI law, and we can certainly get you to one of them that that specialize in this particular area.
Good deal. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks so much for being here today.
See you tomorrow.
Don't forget, get a question here on the show through PAHomepage.com or call the Law and You hotline.